Aries Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th to 26th, 2021. Some realizations could hit you this week, all revolving around romance. Have you been compromising yourself when it comes to your love and dating patterns? A habit of dating down by choosing partners who aren't at your level might have led to a chronic feeling of frustration. These people, while clearly attracted to you, might tend to leave you just when things are starting to get good. To them, all your wonderful strengths could feel like a mirror showing them their own failures, even if you don't try to do that at all. If you keep dating people who are extremely below your level, this likely will continue to happen. Start looking for lovers who can keep up with you. Taurus Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th to 21st. You might find yourself at a low point this week in matters of the heart. Amorous Venus, your ruler, is now fully retrograde and will move into a conjunction with Pluto on Saturday. Since this alignment occurs in your 9th house of morals, you might need to face an uncomfortable truth about your love life patterns. If you suffer from low self-worth, then it's possible you've continually found yourself tangled up in situations that compromise your value and integrity for far too long. Guess what? You're tired of it. In fact, you know that if you want a better love life, you need better standards that stem from true self-love. Venus retrograde will remind you to take radical responsibility for that. Gemini Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th to 26th. It's hard to have respect for a romantic partner if you feel like they aren't being responsible with money, especially if you're always the one picking up the pieces. It's okay to get tired of not being on the same page as your mate when it comes to your financial or intimate life. If that's the case, you now know that it's time for a talk. Alternatively, you might feel that your partner is using physical intimacy as a means to control you or the relationship. That's a big red flag. Single? You could be truly thinking about how much of yourself you're willing to share. The honest answer might surprise you. Cancer Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th to 26th. You could be in a very serious phase when it comes to your love life. Loving Venus is now fully retrograde in your partnership sector, and in the most sober sign of all, Capricorn. This week might be best spent attacking a fear-based pattern you have when it comes to relationships. Do you choose someone who's a safe bet, even if you aren't attracted to them, in an effort to avoid any risk of getting hurt? Are you suppressing any issues you may have from your childhood, even if it's damaging a current or potential relationship? No matter what exactly is happening in your love life situation, this is your time to resolve it. Leo Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th to 21st. An unfortunately necessary wake-up call for your personal love story might be on its way to you. Saturn, the planet of limitation but also responsibility, is moving through your partnership sector and will square Uranus, the agent of change, on Friday. If you've been stuck in a pattern with your partner that leaves the relationship feeling flat or like neither of you can grow, then this can help bring some much needed change. The two of you may have to discuss the idea that if you can't grow together, you're almost bound to grow apart. Single? You might finally be ready to confront a fear of commitment or failure in a relationship. Virgo Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th to 26th. Any love lessons you've started could come to fruition very soon now that pensive Venus is fully retrograde in your romance sector. If you're in a commitment, then you and your partner might be at odds over the subject of children. Topics of contention may arise, such as having your first child, having another child, or parenting the kids you may already have together. Fortunately, once Venus and intense Pluto embrace this Saturday, you may reach a compromise if you can both realize that it isn't a power struggle, it's a relationship. If single or trying to date, you might be sorely disappointed in love. Don't try to force a reconciliation with someone you know is no good for you, and leave the past behind you. Libra Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th to 26th. Being single, even if you don't want to be, is a better decision than remaining in a bad relationship. Authoritative Saturn illustrates this as he moves through your romance sector, creating all sorts of obstacles and lessons in your love life. When Saturn squares off with erratic Uranus this Friday, you might finally learn that the source of your love life problems resides more in your choice of partner than anything else. You may be so hungry for love that you find yourself choosing to date people you know aren't really a good fit. Relationships like that are practically bound to fall apart. Under this aspect, you can get ready to change your pattern and aim at a different, healthier result. Scorpio Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th. With unique Uranus moving through your partnership sector, anything goes when it comes to your love life. You really can't predict anything with this energy, except for the guaranteed unpredictability. As strict Saturn squares Uranus this Friday, you might feel a clash between your security needs and a desire to express your individuality in a relationship. You might feel as if you're trapped between two opposing choices that can't both happen in your life, and you could be right about that. Some careful reflection is a good idea to help you decide what you really want. If single, you're probably doing a lot of work in your headspace right now about love. Keep it up. Sagittarius Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th. Everything comes down to the things that you value, especially romance. This week, as dramatic Venus has fully turned retrograde, you might realize that you've been settling in order to settle down. On the other hand, you could have put yourself in a financially compromised position because of an otherwise wonderful love affair. Maybe you spent too much money on your lover and now have some debt to take care of, or gave up an incredible job opportunity to focus on a lover right before the entire relationship collapsed. Whatever the details between you, love, money, and your self-worth might be, this is the time to get them all straightened out. Capricorn Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th. You might feel more than a little deflated at the moment, due to Venus having completely turned to move retrograde directly through your sign, Capricorn. As a result, you could have an extra special love life lesson ahead. Maybe you are in a relationship that you know has to end but can't work up the determination to call it quits. The universe might provide a necessary push to get you out of there. It's also possible that you're struggling with serious self-worth doubts, feeling as if no one will ever truly love and fully embrace you for who you are. If you spend all your time ragging on yourself, you might not notice someone who cares for you. Right now, Venus is encouraging you to love yourself first and foremost. Aquarius Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th. Your love life is probably more than a little bit messy right now. Emotional Venus is currently moving retrograde through your 12th house of potential sorrow and self-undoing. As a result, you may feel like you're being forced to confront your blind spots in matters of the heart. Tragic romances of your past and possibly even a current troubled relationship could need lots of attention. If you're wondering why you have to go back to past love stories, take a look at yourself right now. Is there something you still haven't healed from? What you might be blind to regarding love might have more to do with you than anyone you may be in a relationship with. Look within for the answers you need. Pisces Weekly Love Horoscope Week of Monday, December 20th. Someone you considered a friend might cause some serious trouble in your love life this week. Love planet Venus is now fully retrograde in your friendship sector, where she'll engage in a conjunction to controlling Pluto on Saturday. Under this alignment, you could learn that a supposed friend is really an enemy in disguise. In particular, this person might be trying to sabotage your current romantic relationship. Or, if you're single, he or she might be trying to block a current love interest from making a move. Even if they aren't intending to hurt you, their actions could still negatively affect your love life. Ouch! With friends like these, who needs enemies?